Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Car Secrets channel. So, today we're going to look at a problem that some of the early model RXs of the fourth generation have, the 2016 RX350. So, the issue you might have is like a hissing or gurgling noise coming from the dash area when the AC is running. And I've seen this issue on a couple of vehicles myself. It can be a bit annoying, especially if you're not listening to music, you're sitting there quietly, the car is idling and you're hearing this kind of noise coming from the front vents or the dash where the defroster is. So if you have that issue, Lexus does have an upgraded air conditioner refrigerant pipe that needs to be replaced, and that takes care of this problem. Now, unfortunately, because this is not a safety recall, it's a service bulletin. They'll only do it for free if the car is within warranty, and because the coverage on this is only 4 years or 50,000 miles, and this only applies to 2016 models, you're pretty much out of luck here. But this service bulletin might guide you in a direction if you want to do this repair yourself or take it to a mechanic shop. This might help you diagnose and repair it. So the time that they used to pay the tech under warranty was 5 hours, and the OFP is the original failed part number. So based on whether your car is Japanese or Canadian made, the part number will be different. However, the updated part number, it's right here, and that one is the same, regardless of whether you have a Canadian vehicle or a Japanese one. So they're talking about a tech stream unit. You don't really need to use this one, but here's the repair procedure. So in essence, they want you to remove this air conditioning refrigerant pipe assembly and replace it with the updated one that gets rid of that noise. So there's the original, there's the updated, looks a little bit different. And you also end up replacing the expansion valve in the process as well. So here's what they tell you. They have a little bit of suggestions here. So because the pipe is replaced with a new one, the refrigerant amount for the refill is actually going to change from 500 grams to 640 grams. So this kit comes with a sticker that you put on the hood when you do this repair, just to make sure that whenever the AC system is serviced in the future, the proper amount of refrigerant is put in. So to diagnose it, they pretty much say, hey, check for this gurgling or hissing noise from the vents. If you hear it, proceed with the replacement. So before recovering the refrigerant, they want you to run the engine for 3 minutes or more under max cool at high AC and engine at idle. That's going to collect the oil in the compressor. And then after that, you're going to stop the engine and recover the refrigerant. Make sure to use a proper machine for this. Don't just blow it out into the atmosphere because it's not the best thing for the environment. And here they have some instructions on what you got to do. So you've got some connectors to disconnect here for the wiper deicer and remove the harness. Then you're going to remove the 6 bolts that hold the top cowl panel on. And then you'll be able to get the 6 nuts off. And then you're going to be able to remove this top cowl panel right here. You're gonna unbolt the little bracket holding the AC pipes to the expansion valve and rotate it counterclockwise, and then you'll be able to get the pipe out. You'll just pull on them and they'll come out. Then here there is a plastic connector on the pipe, so you gotta squeeze it with pliers and separate it. And then the new pipe's gonna come with a replacement connector for that. Then there is a little clamp right here to undo, open it up, and then you'll be able to remove this pipe out of the vehicle completely. Then they want you to take the front cover off that covers the front of the engine, attaches to the bumper right here, just a bunch of clips holding it on. You're going to remove the bolt that holds the AC line to the front of the condenser, and then you'll be able to pop it out of there. And I just want you to seal the openings, at the firewall, at the expansion valve, as well as here at the condenser when you remove these pipes so that no garbage and dirt gets in there. Then where we originally pulled the pipes out of the firewall, you're just going to remove this expansion valve here with a 4 mil Allen key, and you're going to discard it because the kit's going to come with a new expansion valve as well. So then you're going to install the new expansion valve. And whenever you're working with these parts that have O-rings on them, always make sure to put some compressor oil on them. In this case, it's ND oil that Lexus or Toyota has, but any modern air conditioning system oil will work for this. And then you can start reassembly. So reinstall the expansion valve, tighten it to 31 inch-pounds. Then you're going to install the new pipe. That's the updated one that gets rid of the noise. Again, make sure to use the oil on the O-rings as you're doing that. Reconnect it, tighten the bolts to 87 inch-pounds, install the new O-rings, and then connect the two pieces together. It's what we disconnected earlier with the plastic there. So you have this little lock collar. You're going to engage them together and install the clip until, or the clamp until the sound is heard. And then you're going to install it back into that clamp where it was held on and connect the clamp so it holds it securely in place. Then you're going to install this liquid pipe assembly. It's the new one for the new pipe. And that's going to go back in place and bolt to the front of the air conditioning condenser. So reinstall everything. Make sure to use the oil on the O-rings. Clip everything together. Put this connector on to hold the pipe on until it clicks. And then just reassemble the front cover, the cowl here with the nuts and bolts. And there's the torque spec to what you need to tighten them all to. After that, reconnect the wiring harness and recharge the AC system with refrigerant. And it takes R134A. And once that's done, make sure you put the correct amount there as well, because now you need 640 grams instead of 500. And reinstall this sticker on the hood. And then once you're done, check it for leaks. I mean, if you did a good job, it's probably not leaking. Restart the vehicle and confirm the repair. And that gurgling, hissing, annoying noise should be gone. Well, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, you're welcome to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.